Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use golden acorns in Grow a Garden. First, understand that golden acorns are special items designed to supercharge your plants. They are not just decorative, they actively contribute to faster growth and better yields. We'll cover how to get them and the simple steps to apply them effectively, making your gardening experience much more rewarding and less time-consuming. Get ready to see your garden flourish with minimal effort. Obtaining golden acorns is straightforward. You can often discover them by exploring different areas within the game world, sometimes hidden in plain sight or dropped by certain creatures. Completing specific quests or daily challenges is another reliable way to earn them as rewards. Don't forget to check the in-game shop periodically, as they might be available for purchase, offering a quick way to stock up if you're short on time or luck. Using a golden acorn is incredibly simple. Once you have an acorn, navigate to your garden and select the plant you want to boost. Then, simply drag the golden acorn from your inventory and drop it directly onto that chosen plant. You'll notice an immediate visual change, indicating the acorn has been successfully applied. This action instantly accelerates its growth cycle, bringing it closer to harvest much faster than usual, saving you valuable waiting time. The primary benefit of golden acorns is their ability to significantly reduce the growth time of any plant. They can cut down the waiting period by a substantial amount, often around 25%. For best results, prioritize using them on plants that have longer growth cycles or yield higher rewards. You can also combine them with other garden boosters to achieve even more impressive and rapid growth, maximizing your garden's output efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.